There was one young man who came in who we brought him in to learn about electric vehicle charging infrastructure. And he really jumped in and learned a lot about the EV charging. And then when he was done, we asked, hey, do you want to come join us at our urban garden? And he came in and he saw this garden and he was amazed. And he began to talk to me about his desires to be a veterinarian. And so we have chickens here and we have fish here. And he really took to this whole urban farming dichotomy and realized that GreenTech is a good place for him to be. In 2006, California passed a law called the Global Warming Solutions Act, Assembly Bill 32. 2 years later, in 2008, I began talking to mentees at the Alpha Academy mentoring program. I began to talk to the students about what AB 32 really was all about. They talked a lot about green jobs, and I began to explain what that meant to the students. In 2010, we received our nonprofit status. Talking to young people, we got a contract with the Sacramento County Office of Education. I'd go in and talk to them about these new career opportunities. Green jobs are essentially traditional jobs with an emphasis on protecting our environment. So I created a curriculum. I created a process to teach young people about jobs in construction, transportation, utilities, manufacturing, and then overall environmental management.
I started technically as a student, so I attended an Alpha Academy that Simeon was instructing. Some of the things that he was talking about with regards to green careers really hit me. Being able to see a clear path for a workforce, find a career for myself, something that was going to be long-standing and something that could constantly not just create wealth for myself, but help create long-term wealth for everyone else around me. In the environmental space, especially when we're talking about, just science and going green, a lot of what that means is just kind of improving our current ways of living. Well, we have our electric vehicle charging station and our electric vehicle training course. And what that does for us is explain the transition. So what's the purpose of going electric? So I think being able to expose the community to things like that is definitely a bright spot, but also being able to find opportunities for folks who may not have seen an opportunity in that space for work, or whether it's entrepreneurship, improving overall health, or just being able to learn something new. I think that's where it really kind of like hits home for me, and it just kind of fills my spirits up.
When you're in a learning environment, usually you're in a classroom and it feels super confined, and but this space is more of a, I guess, it's a laboratory, but you're more hands-on with things, and you get to explore different things that you didn't think you were interested in. I like the environment. It's super relaxing working here. And I like the impact on kind of the students and the community I'll have. Like everything I've learned here, I'm trying to like align myself with in the future. So I have like a company I'm trying to build in kind of the ag business industry. And this has kind of been helping me as a foundation so I can test out, new ideas and stuff like that. So working here is pretty personal. I love it. I kind of just love it.
I love the way that Terry has engineered different ways to grow food and experimenting with the different mediums in which to grow the food. That gives us a lot of different options, right? Other than just putting it in the ground, considering that we all live in different circumstances. So it's allowing us to kind of be the expert at that. So you'll see food growing in sand, water, in the earth, vertically, and all kinds of different things.
Clay balls, and then we also tried sand, which didn't prove to be the best. Maybe we should just try a different type of sand, but
it's all experimentation with some of this, and again, in engineering new ways to grow food, considering maybe droughts, considering habitats of where people are living, so that we'll be able to help, because Terry also will help start your home garden if that's what you're looking to do. So we're also available for that. and growing planter boxes and things like that for the community.
So a big challenge is getting people to understand that we are looking to teach young people about how to live not only just now, but moving on into the future. And so getting the support from those who also can understand that financial support helps keep us moving forward. A lot of what we have here requires supplies and tools that need to be regenerated, and that costs money. And then we do provide stipends because many of our students have a hard time really getting here, so transportation is an issue. And once they get here, you can hear the stomachs growling, right? There's hunger, right? And yet we want to talk to them about their future when they're concerned about the now. Challenges on just basic understanding of what we're talking about and what we're teaching. A bigger challenge is helping them get employed, helping them get that job, land that first job. That's a huge challenge that we're facing right now. Our goal and mission is to really prepare young people for the world of work. And we recognize that a lot of young people come out of high school with nothing on their resume. And so our goal is to provide experience, but providing that support, really, it costs money. And so getting the support from Golden One has been really amazing. Golden One has been terrific in providing funding that we've been able to use for tools and supplies that we constantly need to keep everything operating. The money has also helped us with transportation, as well as the stipends that we're providing to young people. We also provide funds to our trainers, and so that funding that the Golden One has sent us has really helped out with providing that support. It's been really good. If you're an employer, if you're part of an organization that has needs for interns, take a look at GreenTech and take a look at the pathways that we are providing for our young people and say, hey, maybe we can bring these young folks in as interns or possibly even hire them because our young people are very skilled and they are a wide-ranging experience and understanding of how to be able to work in the real world.